Do you know you can actually double your watch hours or increase your watch hours without making any video? Yes. Now, we all know that on YouTube, if you want to increase your watch hours, you need to post a lot of content, you need to post long form videos, you need to do a lot of things, you understand? And then there are two ways of, increasing your watch hours without making any video. And I'll be sharing them with you. Now, the second one is the most interesting and powerful one. But then let's take a look at the first one. So the first one is taking advantage of the related video feature on the YouTube studio. Okay, so this is how this thing works. If you have a YouTube short that is going viral on your channel or that is getting views on your channel, what you have to do is that connect one of your long form videos to it. Okay, so once your viewers are watching your short form videos, they will get access to that long form video and then watch it. You understand? And by doing that, you are increasing your views and they are also increasing your watch hours. Now, let me go to my YouTube studio and show you how to do it. After that, we will look at the second one. All right, guys. So what you do is to go to your YouTube studio and then come to content. Okay. So in content, you go to shorts, right? And then in shorts, you go to any of your short videos. Okay. Once you scroll down, this is what you are going to see. Okay. Look at the right hand side. You are going to see related video. Okay. So as you can see, this is none, right? So title of this video is YouTube demonetization. Okay. So what I'll do is that I have to go to my channel and then select a video that is related to YouTube demonetization, or I have a long form video on YouTube demonetization. Okay, so I'll just click on this edit sign here. Then I'll search for that video. Okay, so demonetization. All right, so this is the video. So I'm connecting the long form video to my YouTube short. Okay, so I've connected it. Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. So to see if this thing actually worked, this is what we are going to do. Okay. So we'll go back to YouTube and then we'll search for that particular video. Okay. So this is the video. All right. So as you can see down here, I hope you can see the video I connected. YouTube is demonetizing channels. Okay. So when I click on that video, it will take me to the long form video. You get me? Yes. There's something basic, but then a lot of people are not doing it. You understand? So you all know that short form videos get a lot of views. Okay. So once your viewers are watching the short form videos and they click on it, it will bring them here. You understand? And you are getting views. You are increasing your watch hours. Now let's take a look at the second one. Now the second one is a genius approach. In fact, if you know this, it means you are a genius on YouTube. Yeah, that is what I think, by the way. But then if you don't think that way, no problem. Okay, so what you want to do is that you go to your content on YouTube Studio, okay? And then you go to any of your videos, right? So I want to use this one, for example, because that is what I did and it's actually worked. Okay. Yeah, so you see this video is currently having 210 watch hours. Initially, this video was having just 88 watch hours. Okay, man. And after implementing this simple trick, it shoot to 210 watch hours. Okay. So what you want to do is that you come to engagement. Okay. Yeah, engagement, right? So under engagement, you are going to see audience retention. You are going to see key moment for audience retention, right? Yes. So this is what you're going to do. You come to depth. Now, depth means that viewers are abandoning a certain section of your video, or they are skipping this particular section of the video, which means that it is no good. And once they abandon the video, it means that they are not going to continue to watch the rest of the video. So you are losing watch hours. You get me? So what you have to do is that you have to cut this place away from the video, okay? So that they can continue to watch, so that anything that is actually making them stop watching the video here, it will no more stop them, but then they'll keep on watching the video to the end. Okay. Yes. So these are other things here. This one is the intro. This one is the top moments. Top moments means that viewers watched the whole of the video, right? And then spike means that at a certain point of the video, viewers were interested in a certain part. So they were really, really watching that part to the extent that they even go back to, watch it again. You get me? Yes, but the problem is this one, the depth. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to cut this one away from it. Okay, but then let me show you a screenshot of when I was cutting it. Okay, let me show you a screenshot of when I was cutting for you to, really know that I actually know what I'm talking about. Okay. So initially this video was 6 minutes 53 seconds. Okay, 6 minutes 53 seconds, and then I cut it to become 6 minutes 36 seconds. As you can see, 6 minutes 36 seconds. Okay, so I cut it. Now let me show you another image of when I was cutting it. This is the screenshot I took when I was cutting it. Okay, and this was the watch hours at the time and the views at the time. This is the current state of the video, 4.5k, and watch hours of 210. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. All right, so now in order to cut it, we need to take note of the time. Okay, so the time is 3 minutes 20 seconds to 3 minutes 86 seconds. Okay, yes, so you need to take note of the time, and then you can go ahead and cut it. So you come to editor here. Okay, and then you come to trim and cut. You come to new cut, then you enter the time. Okay, so let me 20 seconds here. So after entering the time, you just click on this one here, cuts. Okay, yes, so you see it has been highlighted here, right? Yes, it has been highlighted here. So we are going to cut this one away. So once you've done that, all you simply have to do is to click on save. Right, you click on save, and then you are good to go. When trying to cut it, ensure that you watch the video to know whether when you cut it, it is really going to distort the form of the video. If it is going to distort the form of the video, then you can leave it. But then if it will not really have a problem in the video, it will not distort. What I mean by distort is that it will not really change how the video looks, then you can go ahead and do it, because it's going to help you to make sure your viewers continue to watch the video instead of skipping the video or deciding not to watch at all. So this is something you can try out. I've done it and it worked for me. But then if you still want to increase more watch hours, if you want to get more watch hours, if you want to get 1,000 watch hours on YouTube in 5 days, please watch this video on my screen right now, and it's really going to help you. Thank you very much. See you another time.